The Dhaka topi, or Nepali topi, is a hat which is popular in Nepal, and which forms part of Nepalese national dress, worn by men on celebrations.
Dhaka topi is round at the base, with a height of 3 to 4 inches, reflecting the Mount Everest and country of the Himalayas. It is said to be entitled as the mountain after the melting of the ice.
Nepali topi. For centuries, craftsmen from Nepal's eastern and western development regions have woven the unique, pure cotton cloth known as.
The Dhaka topi is a part of the national clothing of Nepal and a symbol of Nepalese nationality. It was famous during the time of King Mahendra from 1955. The reason the Nepali people wear the cap all the time is because it has now become a strong part of Nepali identity for all ethnic groups in Nepal, not only the Khas. The Dhaka topi has become a symbol of Nepali identity, pride and honorableness and nobleness in men. January 1st, 2019.
Nepali Dhaka topi, design Z. Regular price $12 USD. Regular price $15 USD. Sale price $12 USD. Unit price per. Add to cart, sold out.
This flat Nepali cap is made of various patterned cotton fabric. The fabric originally was imported from Dhaka.